Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Jim. At ito na nga post ni Jana sa kanyang Instagram story, a monumental moment. Pulang araw marks its 100th episode. At next naman ay post ni Pinky Tobiano. Ayan na nga, a Sparkle Christmas Party 2024, December 12, 2024, 7:30 p.m. at Electric Garden. At yun na nga, kasama sa mga guests nila ay si Chavit Singson na bago na raw producer, si GMA7. At yun na nga, si Barbie, si Faith De Silva. At next picture naman ay si Royce, si Juancho, si Thea, at saka si Christopher, si Faith, at saka si Barbie. At saka yung isa hindi ko kilala, si Annalyn ba yun? And this is another picture kasama nga si Kelvin Miranda, at saka si Rodjun Cruz. Ayun na nga si Faith, at saka si Barbie Fortesa. At next naman kasama nga si Juancho. At yung mga hindi natin gusto makita ay hindi na natin nilagay sa picture. Tinakpan na natin yung mga mukha ng mga hindi natin gusto makita, guys. At akala ko nga, guys, ay wala si David. Nandun din pala si David. Ito nga, post ni Juancho Trevino. Sabi niya, sino ang tunay na best friend mo? David Licauco, J. Ortega, maliban kay Nikki Ko at Dustin Yu. At nag-reply naman or nag-comments naman si David na, haha, dati ikaw kaso lang bano ka mag-basket eh. At nag-reply si Juancho na, cancel ka na pre. Grabe no, personala talaga si David magbiro. Ano nga si Juancho. At naman si J. Ortega, tatlong napakagwapo. At next naman ay ang Sobra Cafe Christmas Party. At ito lang actually yung picture na pinost ni David tungkol sa Sobra Cafe. So nagtataka nga kami, parang hindi niya tinapos yung party, no? At ito naman ay post ni Chef Mike, yung isang employee nila ay naka 70s dress. Ayun na nga. So nagsayaw-sayaw pa sila. At ito lang talagang dalawang to, yung picture at video nila doon sa Sobra Cafe Christmas Party. Grabe. So mukha nga natuto na si David. Ay nako, dapat last year pa hindi na kayo nag-post, no? So dahil wala nang pictures at video, so hindi na natin alam kung nandun nga si Asungot doon sa Christmas party kagabi. At next naman ay post kagabi ni Wendell Garcia. So Texas Roadhouse Grill, Bonifacio High Street, the Fort, with my idol David Licauco bilang Hiroshi ng Pulang Araw. Medyo hindi nagkakalayo. So tatlong venue yung pinuntahan ni David kagabi. Grabe ang time management niya, no? Ruin mo yun. At iba yung suot niya dito, dun sa Sparkle Christmas party, no? Napakagwapo pa rin. At next nga, ay tinanong nga ni Ivy Dalisay kung sino yung kasama. At sabi nga ni Wendell ay kasama ang family nag-dinner sa Texas Roadhouse. Sabi ni Ivy Dalisay, ha, family pala akala ko GF niya. In all fairness kay David, napaka-behave niya ngayon at saka sinusunod talaga yung mga yung mga gusto nating mga fans, no, yung wag mag-post ng ng kasama si Asungot. Tapos ngayon, di ba, pati mga private events wala na rin si Asungot, no? Grabe. I'm so happy na ganito yung nangyayari kay David. Next naman ay post ni David sa kanyang Instagram, ay naka-laughing emoji lang. At tawang-tawa si David si Den. At next ay post ni Zirgot, good morning Hiroshi Tanaka. Ayun ang cute ni si David. At ito naman post ng GMA Pinoy TV. Sabi, from Pulang Araw star David Licauco, Merry Christmas to all our global Pinoys. Let's celebrate the season with love and joy. Let's watch this.
Hi, this is David Licauco. No matter where you are in the world, may the warmth of your holidays fill your hearts and home. Maligayang Pasko, global Pinoys.
In fairness, hindi halata nagbabasa siya, no? Charot lang. At next naman i-tweet ni Angge, Dumps, just checking on his face on the monitor. Ay na, ang gwapong si J. Ortega sa Pulang Araw. Ay na ospital. At next naman ay photo booth picture ng Team Barbie. Ay na si Barbie at kanyang tatay. At next naman ay video ni Barbie Fortesa for 9 Young Basic. Let's watch this.
Hi, 9 Young Babies! I'm Barbie Forteza, the new ambassador of 9 Young Basic. As the brand's new face, excited akong ipakilala sa inyo ang kanilang collagen peptide drink. It is a liquid collagen with anti-aging and whitening benefits such as tripeptide formula with elastin plus collagen plus hydrolyzed protein. You know what makes it stand out? It's simple. It is because of its glass packaging. It has a better storage of its properties and maintains the quality of the nutrients. Pwede mo itong dalhin kahit saan, hindi na hassle na-achieve ang blooming skin.
At next naman is Barbie Fortesa on the last day of taping ng Pulang Araw at may pa-video kaya lang hindi pa pinapalabas yung video na to. At ang balibalita ay may Thanksgiving party daw ng Pulang Araw ngayong gabi. At wala na raw yata silang finale watch party kasi Christmas week na yun. At ito naman post ni Present Progressive. Sabi niya, I am a slow walker but I never walk back. Abraham Lincoln. At ito nga yung mga tweet at mga nirepost na video ni Tita Ami Fortesa. Let's watch this. Ayan na nga. So, if they treat you like an option, just leave. My December mantra, it's not going to be easy but it will be worth it. If I keep looking back, I won't be able to move back. Ayan o, kay Tita Ami, like by our Barbie, I highly recommend solo trips. Oh, everybody's watching for you to break down. Ayan. So the more people I cut out, the quieter I got. Ayan. She's a Leo. If you have the power to eat alone in the restaurant, ayan, pinost ni Tita Ami. At just pray to the God, I don't believe it. At are we in the clear yet? Oh, even though the mad is at you. Ayan.
They don't like you, let them go. They gossip about you, let them go. They backstab you, let them go. They cheat you, they hurt you, they lie to you, let them go. Let them go. It's 2024. We don't have time for toxic leeches in our lives. So, the 2024 motto is, let them go.
Ay nako, wala pa rin akong bilib sa mga Fortesang to. To see is to believe sa kanila, no? Hanggat walang nangyayaring nag-a-announce si Barbie ng breakup, ay nako, hindi sila katiwa-tiwala at mahirap umasa sa kanila. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barbie updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!